Month of May is in this room right now. The student of the month will receive the red, white, and blue belt, the head spot to every class they come to, a patch for their uniform, a special certificate for their refrigerator, and 25 points for the chip case. The student of the month is, give me a drum roll. Ready? Cole Shepard. Congratulations. I love that. Give a big round
Congratulations. Oh my goodness.
Oh, can I take your picture with your Student of the Month belt, Cole? I love the reaction. I wish I had our video.
Going
Stand
over.
up here for me. Guys, give a big hand to Cole one more